Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with some Artist Loft white paint mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800 on a 10 by 10 inch canvas. And I want to do a swipe with my new collection of Prism pours from ColourArte. I don't usually do swipes on white, it doesn't always turn out well for me, but I want this to be pretty simple. And if this doesn't suit my fancy, I'll do it on black next time. I have maybe a little more paint than I would want. My turntable is holding a concave dish, which is actually pretty easy for picking up the canvas. I need to wash the paint chips off my hands, but this is in an attempt to get some of that paint off the canvas. Whoops, I guess I got it off and back on again. Not going to worry too much about it. She said that hoping someone would believe her. I do see something in there that does not belong. I'm going to put that aside. Try and grab that thing. Oh, I got tweezers with a gap at the tip. That's terrible. I'm going to have to fix those. Okay. I am going to start with my Egyptian coin. Which has got polypore, about an ounce of polypore, some Egyptian coin added, and then some GAC 800 at the very end. I'm also going to use some of my Bonfire. Move on to Hot Orchid. Seems like a weird combination, doesn't it? But it seems to work more times than not. And everything is mixed with vivid polypore. I'm hoping these won't be too hard to close up when I get ready. This is called Blue Velvet. I'm going to throw a little Chantilly lace in there just to lighten it up a little bit. And finish up with something else. What will it be? Yep, Water Dragon. Not used to using little cups at all. So what I'm thinking is I will use my Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam Black on a card. A fairly goodly amount of it. You know what? I want to tip that a little bit. And I could spin it out, because we are actually on a turntable. I kind of want to stop that. Such beautiful iridescent colors. Really and truly. I'm absolutely, completely enamored of these ColourArte colors. Prism pours, one and all. Gonna wipe these off in between. That works nicely. Woohoo! Really nicely. Just awesomely, in fact. I think I'm going to put a whole bunch more of that Lousy Floetrol down in there. Wowza. Perfect amount of paint, evidently. I wipe my card off in between every time. I see there is a little something something right there that needs to go away. Very cool. Check that out. Let's get rid of that little dingle. I've got little tiny tools and I could use them. Boy, this is just inspiring a whole lot of things. I'm going to make sure I have enough, because it's important to have enough. Does make me want to grab one of my little tools. Dare I? I don't think I should. Just gonna motivate that down over the edge and call it good. That's fairly simple, but I'm gonna say I totally recommend doing this if you want a really simple piece of art. I really want to do something else to it though. What do I want to do? I kind of want to pull that over there. I've got just enough black left in my dish. Pull that over there. And that over there. And this over here. I wish I had a skinnier one. But I think it's going to be okay. I hope so. Let's put a little more on there. There we go. I'm going to put another stripe in here because it seems like it's calling me to it. And why not? I do things because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. One more. Okay, I lied. I think that's very cute. Very cute and charming, and that is definitely a keyhole swipe with Prism pores. Yay! I think I see. That I want to modify that one hard line. Super cool. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Those colors are the bomb. This will dry completely beautifully. I'm not unhappy I put those extra lines in. This was a ton of fun. Thank you for joining me. Check for the exhibition video on the end screen of every video. I have one more thing I want to do. I've got paint left in my dish. And I want one more line right there. And I'm willing to steal paint to do it. I'm going to try not to care that nothing goes down over the edge. Oh well, I'm going to try and zoom in. I wish I had something closer for you guys. Maybe I do. Wait. Hold on. I'll try and bring in my my tall rack so we can have a real close-up. Because those cells, you can't beat those cells. I've never seen better cells in my life. I love those cells. Check those cells out. And I can get so close. Can I get to focus? Look at that. I got really close. I can't do this every time. Don't get your hopes up. I love you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for leaving me wonderful comments to keep my morale boosted. I so appreciate you. You inspire the heck out of me. I love you dearly. I hope you come again. I post every day at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. And who knows when this video will air, but I love it. It's cheeky. I have a link tree under the video. It has my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America, also on the link tree. The link tree is right under the video. Under the link tree, you'll find my email address, easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you want to get information about purchasing an artwork or taking a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, that would be very helpful. My Amazon link is also in the link tree. My 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And they have the first and the second 100 videos and all the descriptions, all the processes, all the tools, all the ingredients. And let's see, if you shop my Amazon link on the link tree, you will also help me out. Anything you want to buy on Amazon, you can buy starting there. Thank you guys for the donations that help keep me painting. If you are interested in helping support the production of tutorials and the purchase of art supplies to keep me on YouTube, then make a donation through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And should you do so, you will automatically receive an invitation to get into the monthly drawing. And the drawing prizes are included at the beginning of the exhibition video that's on the end screen of this video. What did I not tell you? On my link tree, you can also find Society 6. Absolutely worth visiting. I have some of my most beautiful, beautiful artworks posted on things, even some furniture, even some rugs. It's a wide variety. If you guys have questions, please ask me. If you are interested in finding out tomorrow's video what it's going to be, check my community board. If you need more videos, I have 2,300, and they are organized by the 100, by the topic and the genre. And if you can't find what you're looking for by going to my channel and looking on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, you can ask me, because I've got them all saved for you. My spring clothing underneath the video is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. A lot less expensive than the Legallerist clothing made in Montreal that's investment quality. But check out either one, and if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me for a design and I can probably add it. Same thing with fineartamericanpixels.com. Alright, I'm not sure what I've forgotten. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. I really do appreciate the thumbs up, and thank you for sharing again. It helps me out if you share to your groups too. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell, again in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I am so enamored of these incredibly beautiful colors from ColourArte Prism pours. I highly recommend them. Bye for now. Priscilla out.